ahead and pulled the trigger. I'm about 30 cents-ish from the bottom. Either way, I got my stop. We're just right back in my average here. Let's see. If I want to put on a combo, it's looking good. I'm looking to take some profits here at the open print, but we're 1 minute in this 5-minute candle, right? We could just rip right through this open print. Damn near top ticked that thing, man. I want a combo on here bad though. So I'm going to take some profits down here at the open print. Maybe I can get my combo on after. Just going to let it work because if it stops me out, then 92 is my drill zone. And that'll be my second crack at the short. If they run this thing over 92, you know, I'm just going to stay away from the short side. Oh, my bad. I just got filled on this pop. It's just another time exempt setup for me right here. 92, we're right there. We got right into what I'm looking for, right into my trigger zone. God, what a nice short. Let's go, baby. Come on. That was not easy. Took long enough, but that's kind of SPX style anyway. Always takes a little while. Come on, open print. All the way to the open print. Ooh, look at these things go. $10. Testing the 60-minute 9, flattening that thing out. We're gonna die. And if the Fed comes out and really shows and actually bumps it up another 0.25% than planned, we're really going to get some resolution to the downside, I think. Like I said, I want to be in it, and I want to be in it with decent size. I got 5 contracts that I wouldn't mind getting another, but I'm not really willing to risk anything. 5 contracts from up there, if we end up at 3,700 today, are going to pay me some fat ass money. I don't need anything. No matter what happens, I have a decent green day or I have a big fat ass green day if I'm right.